1971 date-coded 455 engine under the hood, 400 turbo, automatic transmission. This car was body off restored in 2010, and it's still a beautiful car today. Hello, good morning everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This morning we are doing a walk-around startup and a drive video on a 1969 Pontiac Le Mans Convertible. Now this car is cloned as a GTO with the Judge callouts on it, but this car is a Le Mans, started out life as a Le Mans, Matador red in color. It has a 1971 date-coded 455 engine under the hood, 400 turbo, automatic transmission. This car was body off restored in 2010, and it's still a beautiful car today. Has a few minor imperfections that I'll be glad to show you as we walk around the car and check it out. But let's fire it up, hear this baby roar. Great running car. The paperwork says it's 469 cubic inches now. Pontiac rally wheels, BF Goodrich, radial TA raised white letter tires. Power steering, power brakes, disc brakes on the front. It's got box rear control arms on it. Stainless steel brake lines from the front to the back. Correct ram air hood with the ram air components underneath the hood. Hood tack, hideaway headlights. Got a slight exhaust stick, as you can hear. We'll get that taken care of. The power steering and brakes. Very nice engine compartment. The paint is very nice in the car, very presentable. Got a small little crack right here in the paint, a touch-up spot right here. Sounds great. Got two little door dings right here, one here and one right below it. Glass in the car is all very nice, power top. Interior in the car is very nice as well. All the seat belts are in there. Wooden steering wheel. Got a little tripod of gauges down below there, you can see. That. Just a nice, clean driver car that someone is going to be able to buy and enjoy for years to come. Underneath this car was very solid when they redone the car. It looks like they put quarters on the car when they did it. There's a restoration book in here. It tells kind of all about the car. New gas tank, fuel lines were installed during restoration. New black interior with hand-sewn seats, not a kit. Dash cap, rally clock, all lights and gauges work. White convertible top and all hydraulic pump switches work great, it says. Rear bumper re-chromed during restoration. 69 factory intake manifold with 73 quadrajet carburetor. Petronics HDI conversion distributor. Ram air exhaust manifolds, 2.5-inch dual exhaust with chrome tips. 4X heads. YG 455, 60 over. It says now 469 cubic inches. Big book here about shows the restoration process of the car. Badges down there. Just a real nice, clean 69 Pontiac Le Mans. Take her out for a little spin quick. Good tack works. Gonna do another GTO next. Just a little bit of rain this morning, so a few little drops coming down. A little bit of fog this morning as well. I'm going to try to get you guys a few videos done today. I'm supposed to get some weather setting in Thursday or Friday, so we could be getting some snow, they're saying, so my test driving is probably going to be coming to an abrupt halt here real shortly. Car runs really nice, drives good. Brakes stop good. Walk around the car with you outside quick. Odometer says 10,291 miles. Imagine that's probably how many miles are on the car since restoration. This car will be an affordable GTO clone convertible for someone. Probably gonna price this car about $49,900. Somebody's gonna get a very, very nice car. The top's in great shape. You can see the pictures on my website here yet today. Engine sure runs nice. Got a lot of power. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check out our website. Follow us on Facebook. Obviously YouTube, Twitter. Occasionally put some stuff on TikTok. So I hope everyone has a great afternoon. And I'll be back at you here in just a little bit with another great GTO.